Welcome to Step 1 American English. This is Lesson 1.9, These and Those. As always, we will listen to the vocabulary. Next, you will repeat the grammar. Then, you will speak on your own. Let's begin. Spoon, fork, cup, plate, bowl, napkin, broom, mop, pot, pan. Now repeat. Listen to the grammar and repeat after the beep. These are spoons. Those are forks. These are cups. Those are plates. These are bowls. Those are napkins. These are brooms. Those are mops. These are pots. Those are pans. Now it's your turn to speak. Look at the pictures and say the grammar. You will have 10 seconds. Good luck. Those are cups. Those are pots. Those are spoons. These are plates. These are napkins. Those are brooms. Those are bowls. These are mops. These are forks. These are pans. That's it. Did you get them all correct? Congratulations. You're on your way to speaking perfect American English.